So I'm making this video because I see a lot of different videos, connecting the Dreamcast Online using either the DreamPi or, the broadband adapter, which I'm going to focus on in this video. And all of them, they hardwire it. Like for example, the broadband adapter, they connect the Ethernet cable to the broadband adapter and connect it straight to the router. But I was thinking, like, at least in my situation, like what if you can't do that? What if your router's in another room and you don't want to buy a 50-foot cable? Or what if you can't move your Dreamcast to wherever the room is at and it's just a hassle? So what I did was I bought a Wi-Fi repeater with the Ethernet cable built in, and I connected it to my Dreamcast. And with a lot of trial and error, of course, I got it to work. And I just wanted to show everyone on just a different method on how to connect your Dreamcast Online using the broadband adapter. I will try to make this video a short video, but there's kind of a lot of steps, and I want to be a little thorough because I got lost and I was frustrated because I didn't see anybody else do this. Yeah, so my apologies if it's not just short. So first things first, this will obviously only work with the broadband adapter, because with the modem built in with the Dreamcast, it uses like a phone cable. I forgot what the term was, but with the broadband adapter, it uses a regular RJ45 cable, Ethernet cable. So this video will only work for that. And I saw that the broadband adapters are getting cheaper, and personally, I was only going to use the broadband adapter for Phantasy Star Online, but I know there are like 3 other games that work with it. I know it's like PSO 1 for sure, and then Quake 3 Arena, and then 2 more, I think. But yeah, so the things you will need is their broadband adapter, of course, the Wi-Fi repeater that I bought, or I'm pretty sure you could use any one, but I'm just going to show how I did it with mine. And then a download copy of XDP, which I will leave in the link in the description. Yes, those are the things you'll need. And I'll also link some great videos by the Dreamcast guy, because he's the one who really inspired me to do this, because he has a video solely on the broadband adapter and how to configure it. And I'll also leave a link to everything I bought, and let's get right into it. So right here, you just scroll to the link right there, and then you scroll down to XDP, and you click download, and it is simple as that. And we will need this for later as well, Sylverant Patcher, if you want to go put your Phantasy Star Online and play it online. I will not be showing you how to burn the data to the disk, but I will link a video in the description that really helped me on at least Mac, obviously, because I'm using the Mac. But I mean, with Windows, everybody really uses Windows. Not many people use Mac. But yes, if you're using Mac, I will link a video that helped me out on burning the XDP internet browser to the CD. This is a Wi-Fi repeater that I am using currently for the Dreamcast, and I will show you how to configure this in this next step. You want to plug it into your computer, either using your USB port or just like I did, using a USB-C hub, because I didn't have one. I didn't have a USB-A on my computer. So what you want to do is go to your Wi-Fi, and at least for Mac, you click other networks, and you want to find where it says Vonets 2.4, this one right here. Click on it, and I'll show you the password, but the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is the password. Then you press join, and then we are connected. So now you want to go to this URL, 192.168.254.254. The password, the username is admin, and the password is also admin. So now you want to go to Wizard, and it's going to search for your Wi-Fi, your SSID. So just wait for that to load. So now you want to find your network. So this is mine. I just click it. You click next. So now all you have to do is just put the Wi-Fi password to your Wi-Fi. Leave everything same except you want to uncheck the configuration parameters of the Wi-Fi repeater. You click apply next. When the reboot shows up, you press reboot. For me, it's been getting stuck on this reboot phase. If you look at your Wi-Fi repeater, it will flash blue, green, and then it will shut off. And then give it about 15 seconds maybe, and it will start flashing blue. And then once it's actually connected, it will start flashing blue really fast. And one thing, if you are doing this with the Ethernet cable, it will just be green. It's just going to be the same steps, except your light is going to be green. So I like to test things, and I just went to the Apple website and tested it, and you can see I'm connected to the Wi-Fi repeater, the Sylverant.net. It's going to pop up like this, just like they've had events. So it's pretty updated. Here you could see the server status, how many people are online, and so this also includes GameCube players, but you can't play with GameCube players. It's just Dreamcast to Dreamcast, because the other night when I tested this is what happened to me. They said like 2 players online, and nobody was there. And I went to another ship. These are the ships. I went to another ship, and like Hunter was online, and that one was actually online. So just to give you all a heads up. And then just go to account management. It'll just tell you to make an account, and there you go. So now all you have to do is connect the Ethernet port to the Wi-Fi repeater to the broadband adapter and connect it to a power source. In my case, I'm using my Xbox Series X. Sorry for the mess, but yep, let's go ahead and get this repeater connected and Dreamcast turned on. Now that everything's connected, it's going to be flashing blue, but that just means it's, obviously connected to the Wi-Fi. So now you load in your XDP. You can see that it's already attempting to connect via Ethernet. So this step, you go, once it's all loaded, you go to options, you go to network info, you go information setup, broadband adapter. Then it worked so on this part I was putting in manual, and I was putting in my IP and everything, and my subnet mask, and it wasn't working. So for me, it worked on auto. So you just press auto, press forward. These are to the servers for like Quake 3 and PSO and stuff. Just DNS. There it is. Once you put that in, you go forward. You just skip all this, and then you press OK on store password. It'll store password on your VMU. Press OK. Press forward, and then it'll bring you back to the screen. You press OK, and then you go down and press save. And then now go to URL, type in Google, press OK, then you press yes, and then there you go. Like I said, like to test things out. This is it right here. YouTube's working. It's pretty cool. So for Phantasy Star Online, once you inserted the patcher that we downloaded, or see it, Sylverant patcher still, you can boot up with it, and all you have to do is just take it out, just press it back in, and it'll start to read it. and then you just press start to load with all the patches. And just test it out. Online mode. Yes. One more thing I forgot to say is that you need to get a serial number and access key. You find those on the game disc case right under the CD for the USA versions. For the PAL versions, they're a card, and you can find some online if you don't have a game disc case. So like I said, on the Sylverant, you can see people that are online, and I believe there was one online here. And there you go. Some servers are more updated than others. And I guess this is my character. Let's see. Oh, that's my quick chat. Yeah, see, I guess that person was on GameCube, but yeah, we're online. Create a team. Pretty cool. I'm pretty active on YouTube, so if you have any questions, you can just comment below and I can help you out or point you to the right direction. Like I said, I just decided to make this video because my router was in another place at my house and I just didn't want to run a long Ethernet cable to it. Also, if you didn't see my character, it's Torima, Torima, and if you see me out there, say hello. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped.